こんにちは、What's up? Ninjapanese です。今日は How to make ない form を勉強します。You are here because you have heard of ない form, but remembering all the negative verb rule is not that easy, right? Don't worry, if you study ない form with Ninja Sensei, it's simple and fun and easy. This video is for students who already studied the basic verbs like 食べます eat, 飲みます drink, 勉強します study. If you don't know any verbs yet, please watch my masu-form video first and then come back to this video. At the end of this video, I will also explain how you can use ない form in a sentence. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's get started!
Ninjapa.
When making ない form or any other forms like dictionary form, te form, ta form, you need to know 3 verb groups: Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Why? Because each group has its own rules. Group 3, Group 2 are always easy. Group 1, well, it's a little bit tricky, but don't worry, we will make it easy together. はい、as I mentioned, Group 3, Group 2 are easy, so let's start with Group 3, next Group 2, and then study Group 1. Okay? So, Group 3, there are only 2 verbs, which is します and 来ます to do and to come. And します ない form しないしない来ますない form 来ない来ない Okay, only 2 rules しない来ない And you actually know these verbs 勉強します or 掃除します These verbs also has します in it, right? します So, they are actually also group 3. 勉強しますない form 勉強しない掃除します clean ない form 掃除しない That's it. And can you think of any verbs that has 来ます? I think you know 1 or 2. How about this one? 持ってきます to bring 持ってきます It has 来ます right? So, it's also group 3. And can you make it ない form? 持ってきますない form 持ってこない持ってこない And look at this. All these verbs are group 3. It has します right? 勉強します、掃除します、get married、結婚します、call、電話します。So, how about to drive? 運転します。ない form 運転しない。Okay. 運転しない。Then, to play games. ゲームします。ない form That's correct. ゲームしない。Okay, so let's move on to Group 2. Group 2 are ます verbs. And we will learn this later. Group 1, います. So now, ます. For example, eat. 食べます. So it's Group 2. What else? To sleep 寝ます Group 2 How about teach 教えます So any verbs that sounds ます they are Group 2 Okay? And when you make it ない form it's super easy Just omit ますand put ない So, 食べます ないform 食べない食べない寝ますない form 寝ない寝ない and 教えますない form That's correct 教えない教えない Let's practice two more verbs How about open 開けます開けます Group 2ない form 開けない開けない Okay Forget 忘れます忘れますない form Okay 忘れない忘れない So that's how you make ない form for group 2 Okay let's review Group 3 Only two verbs します and 来ますします becomes しない来ます becomes 来ない And group 2得ます like 食べます To make it ない form just omit ます and put ない食べない寝ます寝ない That's it Is it difficult or easy? Yeah, it's not difficult, right? Okay, now let's move on to group 1 So, this is group 1 verb います For example, to drink 飲みます飲みます or to buy 買います買います It has E sound, right? 買います飲みます Okay, again, to buy 買います買います Group 1 To listen 聞きます聞きます Group 1 Or how about this? To speak, to talk 話します話します So just like these verbs, if the sound is います they are group 1 For group 1 verbs, we use these rules い becomes あ スペシャルルールですい doesn't become あ い becomes わ So, 買います to buy ない form 買わない買わない How about 聞きます listen ない form 聞かない聞かない聞かない Next 話します She becomes さ So, 話しますない form 話さない話さない Okay Next 待ちます to wait 待ちますない form 待たない待たない Okay Next 遊びます遊ばない遊ばない And to drink 飲みますない form 飲まない飲まない And to go home 帰りますない form 帰らない帰らない Okay, let's try again The rule is E becomes A right? So, wait 待ちますない form 待たない待たない Okay 待たない Next 遊びますない form 遊ばない遊ばない Okay And 飲みますない form 飲まない飲まない And 帰りますない form 帰らない帰らない Okay Alright, so that's how you make ない form I wish I could finish here But there are always some exceptions Let me introduce some exceptions Alright, so if it's your first time to learnないform, go back to the beginning of this video and then watch it again. Please review. And then if this is your second time or third time to learnないform, let me mention the exceptions. Yes, there are of course some exceptions for language. Ta-da! They are the exceptions. And it's not only forないform, but also whenever you make forms, te form, dictionary form, ta form, any forms, you need to know these exceptions. So, let's try to remember it today, and you will be fine. Wake up, 起きます. Take a shower, 浴びます. Watch, look, see, 見ます. Be for human, animal, います. Borrow, 借ります. And wear, 着ます. And get off, 降ります. They are exceptions. Why are they exceptions? Okay, because I said when it's います verbs, always group 1. But look at these verbs. They sound like います, like 起きます, 浴びます, 見ます, but they are group 2 verbs. So, when you make these verbs into ない form, just omit ます and put ない. So, let's try. Wake up, 起きます ない form, 起きない, 起きない, 浴びます 浴びない, 見ます 見ない, います いない, 借ります 借りない, 着ます 着ない, 降ります 降りない. Alright, did you get it? Okay, let's review everything. So, group 3, します and 着ます. します becomes しない. 着ます becomes 来ない. Okay, and ます verbs are group 2. It's very easy, just omit ます and put ない. 食べます ない form 食べない. 寝ます ない form 寝ない. Easy. And group 1, if the verb sounds います, everything is group 1 except the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 verbs. Okay? Anyway, most of います verbs are group 1. And when you see group 1 verbs, use these rules. い becomes あ. So, to buy, 買います becomes 買わない. Or 聞きます becomes 聞かない. Last, 話します ない form 話さない. Great job! Alright, お疲れ様でした. Now you can make ない form. To practice making ない form, please watch this video many times, at least 10 times, okay? And try to practice making and also keep listening the rules. And after mastering ない form, you can use this grammar. You can say, I have to do something or I don't have to in Japanese. The links of these videos are in the description, so to make sure to check them out and let's master ない form. Alright, if you like this video, please give me いいね。それからサブスクライブもよろしくお願いします。And Instagram でも日本語を教えています。こちらもフォローよろしくお願いします。Alright, I'll see you very soon. せーの、ニンニン、またねー。